Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing good. I am Pratesh from Saleshandy, and today we're going to talk about one of the newest additions in the range of integrations we have in Saleshandy. Today we have added HubSpot as integration in Saleshandy. So now you can sync your data, create contacts from and to HubSpot within Saleshandy, right? So let me just navigate you how you can actually do it. So to connect HubSpot in Saleshandy, you just have to go into settings, and from here just go into integrations, right? And you can see we already have integrations for Pipedrive, for Zoho. So HubSpot is the latest release, right? So you can just go and connect it. You just have to continue, and it's just a one-click integration. I have already have Saleshandy as an account in HubSpot. So let's just choose this account and let's proceed. And you just have to go at the bottom and connect your app, and this is how you connect Sales Handy in just one click. And after, yeah, it has been done successfully. So now let's just go into HubSpot and see what are the next steps. So now you have to map your fields. Like if you use any custom fields in HubSpot and you want to map it with the default fields in Sales Handy, so here you can do it. Maybe for contact properties, if you want to change anything, uh, by default you are not using anything that is random. You're using anything that is already customized in HubSpot. So you can just go and change your fields over here, right? And when you are done with field mapping thing, we can just go ahead and sync activities from Sales Handy to HubSpot and from HubSpot to Sales Handy. So let me just show you one example how you can actually sync your activity from Sales Handy to HubSpot. So let's just take an example. Let's say that let's just toggle it on, and if you want to send an email from Sales Handy, and let's say we want it to get updated as a contact in HubSpot, right? So let me just choose extra configuration. Maybe when I send an email, let's just mark it as a new contact in HubSpot. And for the sake of example, let's just choose subscriber over here and let's just save it. So let's just see whenever we send an email from Sales Handy, how it gets updated in HubSpot. So let me just go into one of the running sequences and let's add one prospect here. So let me just add a random prospect from my list. So here I go. Let me just choose. Yeah, so let's just choose this one and let's just add it into the sequence. So it's done successfully, and the email is now sent. So after the email is sent, we had already created a trigger, like it should get updated into HubSpot into contact. So let's just go into HubSpot and let's just see whether it has been updated or not. So let me just refresh it. So here you go. It is now into HubSpot. So you can see it automatically gets updated as a trigger. When the trigger is there, it would get updated into your HubSpot contacts. So in this manner, you can create multiple triggers. And now let me also show you how you can actually sync your data from HubSpot to Sales Handy. So for that, again, you have to go into integrations, select HubSpots, go into triggers tab here, and at the bottom you will see when the contact created or maybe deal created from HubSpot, you get updated in Sales Handy. So let's say when I add a contact in HubSpot, I wanted to get updated as a prospect in Sales Handy. So let's just save this trigger. Now we have created a trigger, and let's just go into HubSpot and see how it gets updated. So it's now saved. So we can just go over here and let's just create a contact. So let me just create a contact here. Okay, okay, it's done. And let's just create this contact, right? And now it is created in HubSpot. So let's just go into Sales ID and see into Prospects tab. So here you go. The contact is now updated in Sales Handy as a prospect. So in this manner, you can create multiple triggers from and to Sales Handy. So it is the things that you can actually sync your data, make your workflow much more better. So if you have any more queries about this, you can just visit our FAQs and you can just go into chat, and you'll find multiple FAQs over here regarding HubSpot. Maybe if you have any doubt, you can just go over and check like this triggers and activities, how it works. So this was all about HubSpot. If you have any problem, just reach out to us through chat. So we would be happy to help you out. Thank you very much.